Want to change Google Play Store country? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Play Store app. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the option of payment and subscriptions. Now select the option of payment methods. Here, tap on more payment settings. This will redirect you to a web browser. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and you have the option of country/region. To edit it, tap on this pencil icon. Now tap on Create New Profile. Tap on Continue. Now select this drop down and go ahead and select your new country or region. Once you do that, tap on Continue. Now you will have to enter your address, so go ahead and do that. Once you have entered it, tap on the Submit option. Your new profile has been created. Tap on View Profile and here your country will be successfully changed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.